Questions that are weighing on your mind, heavy burdens laying there you just can't leave behind. There's a sense of indecision, the hurt is written on your face, a lifetime of heartache that you wish you could erase. But there's a place where you can go to set your fear aside, even though it seems there is no way to make it right. Turn around and look to Jesus, take a step into his arms, and you will find the free forgiveness waiting in his heart. I've got a feeling everything's about to change. Yeah, I've got a feeling a miracle is taking place. Just start believing, though there is a God above who knows your name. I've got a feeling soon you will know the riches of his grace. There are seeds of hope that have been planted in your soul. Somebody's praying for his mercy to take hold. I can see your new beginning, and if you open up your eyes, you will know the freedom you have yet to realize. I've got a feeling everything is about to change. I've got a feeling a miracle is taking place. Just start believing, there is a God above who knows your name. I've got a feeling soon you will know the riches of his grace. I'm sure that if you take him by the hand, he will lead you to the peace that you have longed for. Oh, and if you will embrace him as I have, you'll never let go. He'll carry